Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up a computer or a laptop that slows down when connected to internet. Stay tuned. Hi. This is Cheption Mutai, freelance and business. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. If you are new here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more about me and the services I offer. Now, let's get back into today's video. There are several reasons why a computer or laptop slows down when connected to internet. One of them is due to Windows update. Another common reason is because of startup apps. So, where do you start in order to fix your computer speed? Start by checking startup apps. This is the best place to start, especially if your computer slows down when starting up. This is usually caused by apps you've installed on your computer trying to connect to their servers and check for updates. This applies to all apps, including the ones that you've cracked or downloaded and installed from torrent sites. You'll need to disable all these apps on startup. To do this, go to Start and type Task Manager on the search bar. Alternatively, right-click on the taskbar below your Windows and select Task Manager. On the window that opens, click on Startup tab. Here, you'll be able to see all the apps that opens when you start your computer. If you see an app that you rarely use but has high startup impact, right-click on it and select Disable on the drop-down menu. Disable all apps that you know will not affect the operating system on startup. When you do this, your computer startup time will decrease tremendously owing to the changes. Also, the apps disabled will stop running on the background when they are not in use. If this doesn't work, you can check the following step. Check if your Windows is updating. All Windows usually detect internet connection and attempt to update the operating system. This is done on the background. Your computer or laptop will slow down depending on the number of files being updated. To check if this is what is causing your computer to slow down, go to Start and search for Check for Updates. Click on it to open. This window will open where you will see all ongoing Windows update. If this is consuming your mobile data or is slowing your internet speed, you can pause it till you finish what you are doing first, then enable it again. Windows updates are necessary for security purposes. If your computer is still slow after taking the above actions, try reviewing all the files you downloaded via torrents and uninstall them. Most of them run on the background. To uninstall unnecessary software from your computer, go to Start and search for Apps and Features and click on it. From here, you can see all the apps installed on your computer. Click on the one that you do not recognize to select and click on Uninstall. Not all files downloaded via torrent sites are good. Most of them come with virus, of which the moment you connect to internet, it starts downloading and installing other softwares to your computer. And that is it on how to speed up a computer that slows down when connected to internet. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my website on cheption.com to learn more about me. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheption. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.